Pick the wrong rock, and it might be your last meal. Cooking on rocks, an old school camping trick used by hikers, scouts, even ancient tribes. But not every rock is your buddy. Some look harmless, and then boom. One moment you're boiling tea, next moment you're in a survival documentary. This happens because some rocks absorb water. When you heat them, the water turns to steam, and the pressure makes them blow up like little bombs. So next time, check your cooking stone, or dinner might be the one cooking you.